Hello friends. So today is a Sunday and since it is an off day for my husband, so I could finally convince him to take me out for plant shopping. So here we all are together going for plant shopping and I'll take you guys with me. So stay tuned in my video and stay till the end. It's raining cats and dogs. One moment it was sunny, the other moment it's raining so heavily. And finally we have clear sky here, guys. Look at this. Just a few minutes back it was raining heavily. It was raining cats and dogs. Like, it was at a different point, of course, but after we have crossed that point, you can see here at this point there's no rain. In fact, the sky is clear and the weather is good to go. And we are approaching our destination. Here we have finally arrived. So time to get down and inspect the place and the plants. So here we are at the nursery. This is a local nursery, but this is situated some maybe roughly I think kilometers away from the city. And I am a regular visitor to this nursery, so I'll just show you the collection here. Here you can see the collection here. Lots and lots of plants. See the cactus, huge cactus. Price is also written here. You can see this one is 2500. Beautiful. Tiny ones. Then the huge ones. Rows and rows of plants you can see. Philodendrons, I think. ZZ. This is a marble calathea. So again, this is a Thai constellation, maybe. Very big. Let me show you from this end. This is a Thai constellation. Near it you can see one egg or aglonema, however way you say it. Then aglonema, or different form. Then we have here some syngoniums. Some pothos here. Again, aglonema. This is a different one, and I think this is again a different variety. A little bit more red. These are all variegated ring of fire. You can see here variegations, you can see. So there is a bit of white. So I think I'm gonna take one of these. I think this one. So I'll try and check where the variegation is more, and that one I'll take. I'll just see a little bit, move around a little bit. I think there, that one, at the last row, I think. So that one has more white color. Another one is here, this one. The whole leaf is white here, can you see? So I think I'm gonna take this one. And as I'm showing you all, can you all see this? This is a huge pink princess. Lovely. So I think the pink color you can see here, this one. Can you see the leaf? Oh, wait, let me just go near it. I'll show you with my hand in comparison. You can see this. So such a huge leaf, pink princess. I have got 2 pink princesses actually, and those are like very small ones. This one is a huge plant, you can see. Here is again some pink, there are some pink speckles here. Beautiful. So here another pink princess I can see, and here the pink color is more. See, oh, there are 2 huge pots. See from below. How can I show you? This one, the black pot, and then another one here. This one, the black pot. So this pot, I'll show you from below to the top now. You can see the pink color here. Beautiful, this leaf. See, so pretty. Huge leaves again. This is a huge plant. Very pretty. And another one here. This one. Here you can see this one, the pink color. Really pretty. Here. Huge pink princesses. Okay, then this side, some ZZs here. Then here caletheas. I just like to steer away from the caletheas. Oh, here. Okay, why? I would say because as everyone knows, those who are like interested in plants, they know caletheas, they are the toughest and the most fussy ones, and they show a lot of drama. Here we have got, this one is a Manjula Pothos. This is a neon Pothos. And what is this one? I don't think this is marble. I think this is the golden Pothos. Okay, so I would like to have a Manjula Pothos. Let me just try and find out if they have got, like, you know, bigger ones than these. Here also, this is one. Another one here. You can see the white and the green, you know, the variegation. So these are the Manjula Pothos. Here we have got hanging in the baskets here. This is another one. I think this is Manjula, because there's another Pothos, that is the Enjoy, but I think this is the Manjula one. Okay, here we have got some orbifolias. They look stunning here. I'll show you all. See this row of orbifolias. In fact, I have one at home. Here you can see the cigar, the significant cigar. It looks so pretty. So I have at home, so I won't be taking one orbifolia today, but here you can see the cigars coming out, very pretty. So these are again calithias, but somehow I have tried to maintain them. Unlike one more calathea, I'll show you all when I make a video on calatheas. There are a few or a couple of calatheas which they are so adamant, they just doesn't want to stay alive. So more on that later on. Okay, so here I have got some marble pothos. This is one marble pothos. Here, so they are mixed here actually. The marble ones, then this is a marble pothos. These are enjoys. They are mixed here. The pothos. Oh, this one is a huge one. I think this is the Manjula, yes. So I'm gonna take this one. And here we have got some calatheas again. These are, I'm confused with the name. There are a few, I think a few of them of this pattern here. This isn't Rosio picta, but I'll just give the name down below, you can see. So these I have purchased many times. I'm telling you, to be honest, I have purchased many times, but I have not succeeded in letting them stay alive. So that's one sad story about the calatheas. Again, here we have got one pink princess. This one, can you see the pink color? Another one here. Okay, so I want to go ahead, but the place is full of mud, so I'll not go. It's all watery. So these are all pothos here. There. And what do we have here? We have got the Swiss cheese plant, that is the Monstera adansonii, I think. This is a Syngonium. Again, some adansonii in between. Some philodendron here. The lime colored leaves, very pretty. And what do we have here? This is an Anthurium crystallinum. In fact, there are 3 here. This is 1, 2nd, 3rd. 3 Anthurium crystallinum. People working here. You can see those are the rubber plants. Ooh, some scindapsus here. So all these are scindapsus. People also refer to them as satin pothos, but they belong to a different type, if you want to say, different type. These are the scindapsus. There are again different varieties of scindapsus. So here you can see all of them hanging here. Looks very pretty. Again, I think I'm gonna take one of these. Okay, so here you can see some ficus elastica, very pretty. This is ficus tenuki, very pretty leaves. And here you can see a little bit reddish ones. This is the ficus elastica ruby. This is the ruby, the white one is tenuki, very pretty ones. Now I am interested in this plant. What is this plant? Let me just find out. If I think, if I'm right, I think this is Cebu blue. Let me just find out. If it is Cebu blue, then I'm going to take it. So what I just did is I just took out my other phone. I have an app there, and in that app I click the picture and I try to find out the name. And what it says here is, let me show you. This is the Monstera Stiltipicana matuda. So it's not Cebu blue. Cebu blue is again a type of. Yes, I'm going to take this one, and I cannot see any more here, only this single one. So that makes it more valuable to me, and so I'm going to take this one today. Here, this one. So you can see the array of yellow cardinals. It looks so pretty here. Rows and rows of yellow cardinals, very pretty. Hi, hi. Hey, dekhaisu dia. Iman dhuniake kaam kori ase, dekhai diso. Oh, hi kok. My last gate. So here you can see huge ZZ plants here. Then lots of ficus elasticas. Again, these are the ruby, ficus elastica ruby. This one is the tenuki. The ruby and the tenuki are mixed. And here you can see the variegated, lovely, the variegated ZZ plants. Can you see? So pretty. All white and green mixed. These are the variegated ZZ plants. There again you can see the philodendron erubescens, that row at that end. Here you can see the tall ZZs, very pretty. Again here you have got the Monstera Thai constellation, big one. So I am out of that greenhouse and I'm going to another one here in the same nursery only. We have got many here also. This is another one. So I'm not gonna go here today. I'll go in another one now. The way which we are taking, that is closed, so we are going the other way. It's rainy season here, so you can see the situation. It's all muddy and watery and waterlogged everywhere. But oh, here you can see some Diphyllodechias, palms, aglaonema, crotons, lots and lots of plants inside. But I'll not go inside this one today. I will be going to another smaller one. I mean here only in this nursery. Okay, so here I'll go. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh, here also we have got This is the marble one, marble pothos. Very pretty. Succulents, cacti. Actually, I came here with no particular, plant in mind. So I thought that if there is any new plant which catches my fascination, I'm gonna take it. So most of the plants, not most, I mean, the popular ones I already have. This is a dragon scale. Oh no, this is a silver dragon, I mean. So I have this one. And then here, aglonema, I have them. Again, in between one silver dragon. What is this one? Is this a cuprea, alocasia cuprea? I have, again, this also I have two of them, but I have the red one. Is this a green color one? I'll have to ask. Oh, this one I already showed you all, na? The one which I took, the Monstera one. I think this is a much better one. I'm gonna change this with the one which I took. So I'll be taking this one instead of the one that I selected, because it was only the only one there, so I had to take it. And here again, yeah, this also, oops, here this one. Let me just find out if this is the green one, I mean the alocasia cuprea. I think I'm gonna take this one as well. And what we have there, oh, this also I have. Atom, this is something, the name is Atom, philodendron, I think that one is. Then we have got the Birkin. Believe it or not, I don't have a Birkin yet. This is the Birkin leaf. Every time I come, I always keep on postponing for the Birkin. Should I take one today? Birkin, I left all the good ones in that the other greenhouse. Let me see if I can find a nice one. Maybe I'll take it. Okay. Again, what do we have here? Okay, Monstera Peru. I have this. Makoyana. This is Calathea makoyana. I have rattlesnake. I have, but rattlesnake is a very forgiving Calathea, and it's like thriving so well at my place. I'll show you someday. Then here, what do we have? Again, I think this is Rosio picta. I have killed many, so I'm just gonna ignore and go ahead. Okay. Some again succulents here. Actually, I'm not a succulent person, even though they are very pretty. Some Adansonii, and yes, I am a Monstera person actually. Monstera and also Alocasia as well as Philodendron. So these are the three, varieties that I am always after. And the next closest one I think is Anthurium. Okay, I think, oh, there's another row here, rack I mean. Okay. So done with my plant shopping. So I have purchased a few of the plants. I'm gonna show you once I reach home. I'll show you aram se the plants that I bought, and I'm really excited to show you what are the plants that I bought. So back to the, so here now I'm going to show you which are the plants that I picked out, and I'll be showing them to you one by one. But first of all, can you guess which are the ones? At least one or two though you all can guess, because I had already picked those couple of plants there only in the nursery in front of them while I was filming. So can you just guess which one will be the first one? Okay, so here is the first one. This one. So this is according to me now, this is Monstera stiltipicana, and I had also shown you all yesterday in my video while I was filming that I had one plant app in my phone, and in that app I took the photo and I tried to find out which plant it is, and there in the app it showed that it is Monstera stiltipicana. Yeah, Monstera stiltipicana. So I thought this is Monstera stiltipicana, but after coming home, I don't know why I am thinking that this is more towards Cebu blue, Pothos Cebu blue. Okay, so Pothos means money plant again. So yeah, so this might be Cebu blue Pothos or Monstera stiltipicana. So I am not sure in between these two. So whichever it is, I'll be equally happy. If it is Cebu blue, same, and if it is stiltipicana, same, equally happy I'll be. But if it turns out to be a totally different plant, then that is a different adventure for me, and of course I'll be again over the moon to find out a totally different plant. So here this is, and you all also can help me, guys. So can you just see the leaf, the veinings? I know because of the watermarks here, the stains of the water is making it difficult for you all also to find out the identity of the plant, but still if you can see the veins, the veining system. Okay, so if you can find out, kindly please comment here in this video. It will be a great help. Okay, so this is my first plant. For now it is Monstera. It is in between Monstera stiltipicana and Pothos Cebu blue. Okay, so this is the first one. Then for the second plant, again in my in the same video like yesterday as I was filming, so I was showing you all a lot of Pothos, that is money plants. So there I saw the golden Pothos, and I saw the marble Pothos, then I saw the Manjula Pothos. So here the second one that I bought is the Manjula Pothos. Can you see? It is so pretty. So, and the leaf, this leaf is a huge one. Yeah, so here you can see, and I was trying to find out a plant with slightly bigger leaves, and finally I got this one. So yes, it is very pretty and I love it. Here you can see. So if I put this up on a moss pole, okay, and here this way I'll show you. If I put this up in a moss pole, I am sure I'm going to get bigger leaves than this one. So that is what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to take a moss pole. I'll not do it now, because always what I do is that once I buy new plants, I quarantine them. I keep them aside from the rest of my plants. I take it as the quarantine period, and I keep spraying them with insecticidal spray with a regular interval of 3 to 4 days. So that way I'm going to do this for 2 weeks. And then after that I'll be repotting them, and then when I repot this, I think I'll be giving it a moss pole. So here this one is the second one, Manjula Pothos. Now for the third one is also a Pothos here again. So Marble Queen, the Marble Queen Pothos. Again, this is, I just love Marble Queen. You can see the variegation. It is so pretty. Here, if you see here, the variegation, the white color is a little bit less, but here in these leaves you can see the white color is more. So what happens is that in Marble Queen Pothos, when the Marble Queen Pothos is subjected to bright indirect sunlight, okay, or direct sunlight, bright indirect. If you keep direct sunlight, the leaves, they tend to get burned. So I prefer to keep them, and I also advise to keep them in indirect sunlight, but it should be very bright indirect sunlight. So yes, when you keep the marble queen pothos in bright indirect sunlight, what happens is that the variegation, it starts to increase. Variegation increases means the white portion of the leaf, it increases. You get more white in the leaf than the green, and then if you get more white in the leaf, this marble queen pothos becomes a snow queen potho, the same plant. Here if you can see, here the green portion is more in the leaf, and here you can see the white portion is more. So if the plant becomes, like all or majority of the leaves in the plant has got more white in it, so it becomes, you can call it a snow queen pothos. So here I will still call it a marble pothos. People still, the snow queen pothos also people call them marble queen, because originally they are marble queen pothos. So that is that about marble queens and snow queen pothos. So the third, no, this is the third one. The fourth one. The fourth one is, so here I have got the fourth one. This one is Scindapsus Pictus exotica. So Scindapsus, there is a whole, different genus of Scindapsus. Many people, they relate this Scindapsus to Pothos, but yes, they are similar in many ways to Pothos, but they does not fall in the category of Pothos. Scindapsus has their own family. So there are again different varieties of Scindapsus. These Scindapsus are also known as silver vines, and this one, this particular one is called, as I have said, Scindapsus Pictus exotica. There are other types of Scindapsus like Scindapsus silvery and Scindapsus silver splash. In fact, silver splash and this one exotica looks almost similar. So here you can see the leaves are very pretty. You can see the the silvery splashes or sploshes, you can say, and they look very heavily pixelated. Can you see the leaves? Very pretty, beautiful plant. And yes, they grow like the pothos, that is the epipremnum, and if you give them a moss pole or you give them a wall, wherever they climb, they'll give out the aerial roots and they will just go up in search of sunlight and nutrients. So that is how they grow. So I'm very happy and I'm very excited to see it grow properly, and then I think I'll just give it a support so that it climbs up, and then it can grow nicely and properly. Yeah, okay. So this is the fourth one. Then the fifth one is, which one I'll show you? Yeah, here. This is heavy. So yes, this is a variegated ring of fire. Yeah, ring of fire, this one. Yeah, I had actually shown you all yesterday. So there were lots and lots of rings of ring of fire, variegated ones. And I told you all that I was going to take that plant which had more of the variegation, that is the white part. So here it had, but it had a little bit of the white part, but it's like burnt out, it's going out, but no problem, it will grow back again. But why I did not take that is because here I saw one new growth already coming out. So I thought, why not take this one, so that as soon as it I bring this home, so this one more leaf is already on its way, and I'll get a new new leaf added to the ones that I already have here. So it looked healthy, and so that is why I took this one. So this is the variegated ring of fire. Yeah. So this one is, I think, fifth one. Then the sixth one, again I showed you all there only that this is an alocasia copria. As far as I can tell, this is copria. So let me see. I already have copria. I have two coprias actually, but those are again, you know, copria red secret. So there you will see the leaf has that reddish shine, a red sheen on it. In front of the light, if you put it, it completely, you know, becomes like copper colored, or you know, not copper, like slightly reddish. I mean, not slightly, more reddish than copper. Yeah. Okay. So, but here you cannot see that red color. So I think this is the green variety one. So that's why I took it. So then the next one is here. This is the again alocasia black velvet. I again have alocasia black velvet with me, but they're the leaves, they are you know, not coming out so fast. Now I have got 3 leaves only, but yes, my previous plant which I already have at home here, it's grown big. Okay, the stems, as I was saying, the stalks of my previous plant is bigger than this one, but you know, the leaves are not coming out you know, as much as I would have wanted them. So right now there are only 3, and out of those 3 leaves, one is already on its way to like go out. So I know I'll be left with 2 now. So when I saw this, I could not resist. I just love alocasias. And here I see there are obviously 4 leaves here, as you can see, and there is a new growth. One more leaf is trying to push out. So yes, that's why I bought it again. Okay, so this is the next, which number it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7th one. And I think this is the last one. This is the yellow cardinal. Okay, so again, I did not have any cardinals, so that's why I thought, when I saw, you know, rows and rows of yellow cardinals, I thought, let me take one. Okay, since I don't have any cardinals with me. And yes, the colors, you can see different colors: green, lime green, a little bit dark green. So it looks, you know, lovely, beautiful, different colors of the same different shades of the same colors in the same pot. So that's why I thought, why not take it. Okay, so this is the last one. So there you go, guys. This completes my video. So I have total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plants I bought yesterday. So, and all of those I showed you all here. And if you really liked my video, please give it a thumbs up, and you know, share it, comment, and also subscribe. The main thing is to subscribe. Please subscribe, so that you know, I get more encouraged, and I try and I keep on trying to make more and more videos of plants, because I just love plants, and always I'll try to make plant videos. And if I get your support along the way, then it's all the more you know, better for me. So thank you all once again, and you know, please subscribe, and like, share and comment. Bye bye.